In this video, I'll explain estimated energy consumption, a smart way to see which appliances are driving your electricity bill. Even without a dedicated power monitoring device, your smart home can still help you understand where electricity is being consumed. Estimated energy consumption calculates approximate power usage for each appliance using two simple factors: the appliance wattage and its actual running time based on switch activity history. This gives you appliance level visibility into energy usage across your home. See how much electricity your geyser, iron box, lights, fans, or heaters are likely consuming every day, and identify which devices silently contribute the most to your monthly bill. You can also add appliance details like brand, energy rating, and load type for better estimation accuracy. The goal isn't perfect meter level precision. The goal is awareness. Because once you understand which appliances consume the most power, smarter usage habits follow naturally. Now, I'll show you how to set up estimated energy consumption. Open the Home Automation app, tap on Devices in the bottom menu, tap on Room, select the switch settings, scroll down and tap on Estimated Energy. Enter the required values in the given fields, then tap Submit. That's it. Even without an energy meter, you can now check the estimated power consumption of your appliances based on the entered details. Thank you.